Do you want to know how to check if SIM registration is successful? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if SIM registration is successful. To check, open your computer or mobile phone browser. Type in the browser, smart.com.ph/simreg. Wait for the website to load. On the official website, input your Smart, Sun, or TNT mobile number to verify the registration status. After inputting, check the box beside the terms and conditions and click the Send OTP button. Input the OTP code that was sent to your mobile number. Click the Verify OTP button. Congratulations! You have successfully checked the registration status of your SIM card. You will also receive an SMS from Smart regarding the registration status of your SIM card. I hope this video helps you. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.